My name's Madalyn White, and I am a vascular tech. I work in Maryland at our Annapolis and Columbia Parkway offices. My responsibilities include scanning the patients, creating maps of their veins, healthy veins versus unhealthy veins. I help explain the procedures to the patients. I assist the physician and the surgical assistants during the procedures. I help clean up and stock and everything else in between. A year and a half. So I've been with CVR a year and a half. I was part of a merge back in March of 2020. I think it was for the best for me personally. I'm really happy with where I'm at. I was with vein clinics, different vein clinics in the past, and we merged, and it's just been a change for the better for me. I think it's been a little bit more challenging for me, which is good. I like that. I like more of a challenge. I like to learn and grow. I've had more opportunities to train other sonographers. I've had opportunities to travel to different states. I've been to Pennsylvania, Georgia, New Mexico. I've had opportunities to work with people from different states who are with the company. I've seen all the different ways that our physicians and nurses and techs work. And I think it's awesome that we all have our own way of doing things, but also having the same end goal of helping patients. My experience with the culture at CVR has been very supportive. That's the first word that comes to mind. I have the best manager. I have the best supervisors. They are working round the clock to help us, to support us, to make our lives easier and for us to grow and learn. The doctor and nurses I work with are amazing. They're always there to help explain. They're willing to teach. If I don't understand something, they are there to answer my questions, and they're welcoming. Everyone's very easy to approach. If they can't help you, they tell you who to go to. And that's what I love. You don't just, get a door closed in your face. You have someone there who's ready to help and teach, and that means a lot to me. I think the main thing that I talk about with patients, but also employees with the company, we're not here to help people with cosmetic issues. What we treat is really a medical issue. It can be something like cramping or restless at nighttime that affects your sleep. Vein clinics are not just for cosmetic issues, it's to better your life. These pesky little veins can cause a lot of different issues, and our simple, straightforward treatments really help that and can change your life for the better. So I think that's something that I always talk to patients and our current employees with. They always ask this, isn't this a cosmetic issue? And I say, no, it's not. This is something that, when you think about it, it really affects your daily life.